Hello learners, we continue with our grammar lesson about adverbs. Our objective here is to learn adverbs that tell us how something has happened. An adverb adds more to the meaning of the word. Let us decode and use adverbs that tell us how. We shall be watching a small video about the adverbs. Let's focus on the video now.
What's in the bag, Maria?
Oh, those are my verbs.
Of course, I should have known. Verbs just can't sit still, can they?
No way.
Verbs are the words that give us action. They make us jump, run, bend, and crawl. Verbs are the words that give us action. Without verbs, we wouldn't be doing much at all.
That's right. Verbs tell the action of a person, place, or thing.
So if the bunny hops over the puddle, hops is the verb because it tells that the bunny moved.
Right. Hey, what do you have there, Denzel?
These are my adverbs. Maybe your verbs could use them.
Good idea.
Adverbs are the words that describe the action. So you gently jump, swiftly run, slowly bend, quietly crawl. Without adverbs, we could not describe the action at all.
So adverbs tell us more about the verb.
That's right. Adverbs can tell us when something happens.
As in tomorrow afternoon.
Adverbs can tell us where something happens.
As in outside the box.
And adverbs can tell us how something happened, as in easily done.
Yes, we got it.
Adverbs can be words that tell us when, where, or how something happens. Today, inside, clumsily. Adverbs can be words that tell us when, where, or how something happens. Tomorrow, outside, easily.
What if we want to compare two actions?
We use comparative adverbs.
Oh, right!
Comparative adverbs are the words that compare two actions. Faster, slower, sloppier, better.
Sometimes comparative adverbs are made with an adverb that ends in ly. Here you'd have to add more before the word, as in more carefully.
The most comparative adverbs end in er. Remember that, and you'll be a star.
And what if we want to compare 3 or more actions?
We use the super duper superlative adverbs.
Oh, that's right.
Superlative adverbs are the words that compare 3 or more actions. Fastest, slowest, sloppiest, best.
Sometimes superlative adverbs are made with an adverb that ends in ly. Here you'd have to add most before the word, as in most happily.
But most superlative adverbs end in est, so they are very, very, very easy to see.
Wow, adverbs are fun.
They sure are!
Hope you understood the adverbs. An adverb can tell about a verb by telling how something has happened or happens. Now look at some adverbs. Loudly. The teacher is speaking very loudly. Suddenly, the car came around the bend. Carefully. Please walk carefully on the wet floor. Beautifully. Those pots of flowers are arranged beautifully on the window. Remember, when we are talking about adverbs that tell how, most often they end with a ly. Let us see how we can complete these sentences. Speak softly in the library. Pi plays the piano very nicely. Karen brushes her teeth very slowly. Now you shall be completing your adverb exercise in your readers and writers workbook. Complete this page and you shall be marking out the correct sentences that denote the adverbs and follow the arrows to select the correct sentences. Now, let us correct some of the spellings and fix our sentences and write them correctly. D wore a blue sweater. My correct sentence would be D wore a blue sweater. Let's go to the next slide, please. Here, who drew this picture? Who drew this picture? Just observe the difference in the spellings. Now, we shall be dealing with the vocabulary of prefixes. Prefix is a word that is added to the beginning of a word. As we say it, prefixes, a word that is fixed before a word, and this changes the meaning of the whole word. Now look at the prefixes that we will be doing in our selection. This. What does this mean? Not. Re. It means again. Un. It means similar as not. We will continue our lesson about our writing objectives in the next video.